Are you looking for some DIY inspiration today?
Well, Brandon is finding it out over at the Maricopa Home and Garden Show. Okay, we are ready now for hack number 3.
All right, hack number 3. You've got that kitchen, you've got those old cabinets in there, they're hideous, they're ugly, and you're thinking, great, it's going to cost me $10,000 to replace these cabinets. Nope, we've got this expert right here. This is Elise Trimble with Restyle Junkie. Good morning.
That's right, good morning. Thank you for having me.
So we got to get rid of these ugly cabinets, and you've got some couple easy steps to refinish those cabinets, right?
Absolutely. Everyone in Phoenix seems to have the honey oak cabinets, and people are over them. Nobody wants orange graham cracker cabinets in their kitchen anymore. So in 3 easy steps of prepping, painting, and then sealing your cabinets with the proper paint, you can get an entirely new kitchen for pennies compared to a $10,000 remodel that always snowballs.
Yeah, absolutely. Just like that. So get rid of those cabinets, prep, so sand and clean, paint, top coat, there you go. And here's a couple examples of what you've done, right? Show me some of these.
Absolutely. So this is extremely popular to do an antique white with some distressing. And this is how the cabinet started out here. A lot of our customers love to do an island in a darker color. It just looks like furniture and more high-end. And again, this started out like this. And if we sneak over to here, this is the really popular Java Gel. You can still see the oak grain, which folks like, but your graham cracker days of having a kitchen, that is
over.
Yeah.
It's no more. And so the other question is, great, now where do I find these products to do all this? Well, at your store, Restyle Junkie up by Deer Valley Airport. You can go in there. You've got a website. Tell me about that.
So absolutely. We're just across the street from the Deer Valley Airport, 7th Avenue in Deer Valley. Restyle Junkie. We're junkie.com, so that's open 24/7. We have classes, and we're also licensed contractors, so we can tackle this project for you.
All right, perfect. So she is going to be on this stage right here behind us, 2 p.m. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, doing demonstrations on how to refinish your kitchen. So there you go, guys. A couple of easy steps. Sand your cabinets, paint them, and then a top coat, and you can have no more graham cracker color, but something a lot more beautiful just like that. All right, guys, so Maricopa County Home and Garden Show this weekend. Again, bring that 24-pack of water, and you'll get 2 free tickets in the tiny homes. That's new this year. You got to check that out. Thousands of vendors out here. This is the place to get ideas for your home improvement project. 2 more home hacks to go. We'll see you in about 30 minutes, guys.
So cool. So Wes, our producer, just shared with us that's the only stuff she uses. It is awesome and well worth it. Very cool to know.
That could save you a ton of money.
Oh, thousands. Yeah.
They broke with Team Tradition.